This is a demo of the Joystick Controlled Polaris Ranger Crew. It's joystick controlled throttle, steering, and brake with a interface for an individual in a wheelchair. Everything can be controlled from the wheelchair, although it's not recommended to be used without a safety driver. So to set it up, we turn on the joystick, and that gives the power of the joystick. Then we turn on the power for the side-by-side. You can see the control right here. The console was moved to the center. It's in park right now, so I can start it. Once it's started, we can put it in gear. So reverse, neutral, low, high, and now we're ready to drive. Put it in reverse, slow, neutral, reverse, and we get back up. And now we're back up, put it back here, neutral, low, high. Finish driving. We'll put it in park. Neutral. Reverse. Park. And you can turn off the engine and turn off the joystick. And that's it.